All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, holy moly. How are we doing? Chat, let me know if the music's too loud or too quiet. I can turn it up, turn it down, whatever you want. Let me know, let me know, let me know. Mark and Mick and Mario, what's up? Amer Serliogji. Morning/night. What a messy morning down under. Holy moly. Yeah, you're right. You're right. What a day, chat. PA had me fucking tilted, bro. Sheesh. Mario. I'm playing the MGC $100 scout game. Love it. Yes, sirski. Mama Bear. All iced coffee. Mama Bear, I swear you pushing it, girl. Listen. Hold on. You pushing it. You walking on eggshells, Mama Bear. I'm about to put you in hibernation, girl. Hold on, let's light the candle real quick. Wait a minute. Get the vibes right. Get the vibes right, chat. Oh, baby. Good enough? Yeah, I definitely butchered your name. Holy. Oh, God. You wouldn't? You miss me too much? You're right. You're right. I miss you. I miss you. Chat, let me know if y'all can hear the music. Can y'all hear the music? Like, is it too loud, too soft? Let me know. I want to make sure I got the volume set right. You know what I mean? Oh, you can barely hear it? How's that? Let me know if the music's too loud. All right, baby, holy. Miss K's in the building. What's up, baby? How you doing? What's up? What's up? What's up? Can you have a real pullback? Holy, I hear you. I really do. I hear you. Yeah, the market's just tanking, bro. Everything's tanking. Everything. Bro, did y'all see Bitcoin? Bitcoin really getting smoked, chat. Holy. But we all know, like, fucking Bitcoin will rip into an absolute oblivion and then pull back like 70% before going on its next run. It's crazy. It actually is crazy. I was just saying today that if Bitcoin goes back to like 40,000, I'm gonna load the boat, chat. I really am. Like I'm emptying the bank account. I'm selling the house, selling the family, emptying everything and putting it all in Bitcoin. I'm doing it all, baby. I'm doing it all, chat. People found out who started it and are selling Bitcoin. Wait, they actually found out? Chris Trader's in the building. What's up? Let's go. Mario's buying. I love that. Pip MOHQ says, hey man, I'm new here, but past 50K TRADEIFY select account, I went the daily payout, but I have 1,000K daily loss limit. How should I handle that? You should trade 1 to 2 micros and call it a day, baby. That's what you should do. Trade 1 to 2 micros. Take it small, take it slow, take your time. I would say like 3 micros max. But in this market, in this volatility, that 1,000 could go quick, baby. So I would do like 1 to 2, call it a day. And also, since you're new here, welcome. Holy, love seeing some new faces in here. Also, chat, do me a favor. If you haven't already, smash that like button with some serious authority, bro. There's a little like button there showing you the thumb. It's giving you, it's challenging you to a thumb war. Let me know who wins, baby. Second $100 scalp. You really are scalping gold, huh? Epstein? Wait, that's a thing? Did he really? Nah. Wait, seriously? That actually is a thing? I had no idea. Wait, I need to see this. Come on, someone give me a link. I need a link, chat. I really do. Now they're saying it's doctored. Bro, I mean, that's kind of, that seems kind of weird, doesn't it, chat? I don't think anybody really knows. I don't think anybody truly knows. Trying to get a payout. GG's, baby. Yeah, you can do it. You can get a payout. The timing of when it was started fits. There's gonna be a lot of conspiracies, bro. I mean, there really is. The world, I'm convinced the world likes conspiracies, chat, you know, because we always create them. Yo, Nasdaq's getting absolutely cooked, chat, right now. I don't know if y'all noticed, but Nasdaq is getting just absolutely cooked. Holy, hold on, let's go look at gold. I know Mario over here scalping gold. Oh, wait, that's Nasdaq. Hold on. Let's look at gold. Jesus Christ, what happened to gold? Why is everything getting cooked? You can fit a square cube into a round hole if you try hard enough. Facts. Yeah, facts. So is he yes? Come on, Bear, I just saw your post in Discord there. Yeah, I'll take a look. I'll take a look at it. ES getting cooked, Nasdaq getting cooked, gold getting cooked. Everything's getting cooked right now, chat. I might start looking for some shorts here. But it's like, at what point do they find a floor? You know what I mean? It's like, we've come down so much. At what point does the market decide to find a floor where we're at? And then it's like, you get caught shorting and now you're shorting in a floor. You don't want that, chat. That's no bueno. All this cooking and nothing tastes good. Facts. I'm with it. AI is saying it's fake. Yeah, I believe that. All right, gold's trying to catch a little bit of a bid here. We do have an 8-point ATR on the 1 minute, chat. 8.1 minute ATR. Definitely be careful sizing on that, because that's still pretty volatile for it being, you know, the time frame that we're in. Also, Nasdaq is 20-point ATR on the 1 minute, which is definitely a lot for the time frame that we're in. So it says the unsealed stamp and doc number doesn't match the format. Falling for the sell. Falling for the sell the rumor, let it fall. Facts. Yeah, I'm with it. Let it all fall. Let it go to 40. What is the normal ATR when there is less volatility? For gold? It varies. Like 4, 5. I would say, right? What do you think, Jot? When you think like 4 or 5 when it's like normal? And not as volatile. Nasdaq was extra volatile today. We had like a 50-point ATR in the 1 minute, when the Nasdaq ATR is, I would say, like normally 20 on the 1 minute. G-Man's in the building. What's up, baby? How you doing? It's only allowed to enter 1 micro on my 150 XFAs for gold. That makes sense. I know they changed it quite a bit. Still made 1,400. Nice. GG's, baby. Holy. Sheesh. You love to see that. You love to see it, baby. Gold's trying to catch a bid. Watch this thing rip, dude. After getting absolutely smoked, watch this thing rip into oblivion. Hold on. Look at the 5 minute, chat. It's just a straight up cliffhanger. just the gold falling off a cliff. Holy. What's silver doing? Let's take a look. Silver getting cooked. Silver's down to 65, chat. What the hell? Jesus. Hold on, let's just look at the straight up cliff silver's been on. Look at this cliff, bro. Look at this cliff on silver. Cliffing from 121 to 65, chat. 50% off the highs. Right? Is that 50%? Am I right on that? I think so, yeah. Gator, what's up? Was over 100 last week. I know. It's just insane. Makes me want to just be short. Just close my eyes and go short silver. I mean, that's a blow off top if I ever seen one, chat. They're melting the actual metals. The metals are melting, chat. Yeah, holy. Melting the actual metals for real. Getting smoked. So there might be support for silver in that area, maybe. I'm convinced there is no support. That it's just gonna keep falling and blow the top off. Go back to normal pricing. Can you imagine, chat? Silver goes back to normal pricing. How insane would that be? It wouldn't surprise me, honestly. What the fuck was normal pricing? I don't know. I'm just saying, watch it go back to some sort of normalcy, okay? Leave me alone, G-man. I mean, look at it, right? Normal. Look at where it was trading, like 40s, 50s. It looks like we headed right back for it. That run's insane, bro. Holy. Like, actually insane. Chat, full port the personal account short on silver. What do we think? Metals just said, ah, fuck it. We had a nice run. Let's just get cooked together. Going back to regular pricing. I would like to find an entry short on gold, but it's just getting cooked. I mean, there's no pullbacks to really like get anything. I don't want to short where we are. I need some sort of pullback, chat. Gold's first support, 4680. Well, let's see what happens there. I need some sort of pullback. I don't want to short where we are. That didn't make any sense. Oh, trade sinker. Chat, y'all are supposed to remind me, bro. What happened? Chat, y'all were supposed to remind me to set up my trade sinker. Y'all forgot. Shame on you. Shame on you, chat. It's just so easy to blame you guys for everything. Like, literally everything's chat's fault. Just gonna blame you guys for everything, dude. Seems fair. Yeah. I mean, it makes sense, right? I gotta take it out on somebody, so it might as well be you guys. You're the only ones here. Dude, gold getting cooked. I mean, holy shit. Gold is just not stopping. Yeah, they're with the 80s. they're with the 80s. It ain't stopping. God, I would love to be short right now. Chat, why aren't I short? Be making a bankroll right now, dude. It's annoying. The FOMO is real, chat. It really is. That one gave you 400. Jesus. Bro, I think you're good. I mean, you want to save a little bit of money for the rest of us? Like, is that all right with you? Can we have some? You know what I mean? You mind saving a little bit of money for the rest of the people trying to trade this, Mario? You're being a bit of a degen. Holy. I do have some 50K accounts, chat, that I really want to pass. I don't know if I'll pass tonight, but I might get close. If I get in some good trades, I might get close. Your 8-year-old just said that I should when I said that. Chat, ask yourself one question right now. Have you hit the like button? That's a question you should be asking yourself right now. And if you haven't, maybe we should do something about that. How much do you risk per trade in dollar amount? So if we're talking about my own account, I'm not gonna say per trade because it can vary per trade depending on like market structure and where price is at. There's a lot of context there. But in my personal account, I can say per day, I don't risk more than 2%. And I actually just paid myself a little bit more out of my personal account. I've actually brought my balance on my personal account back down to 50,000. And so anything that I make after 50K, I'm just going to pay myself. So it's 2% of 50,000 is how much I risk per day in that account. Now, if we're talking like prop firm accounts, that also depends because I don't treat risk the same as prop or in prop like my personal. I'm a little bit more of a degen in prop firms. So it could be, I don't know, kind of depends. If I'm trading a 150K account with a prop firm and my max loss is like 4,500 and that, then I might risk like two grand. I'm a little bit more of a degen in prop firms, chat. Leave me alone. Don't judge me. Just because with like prop firm, it's like, how fast can I get to a payout? You know what I mean? How quickly can I get there? That's how I treat that, to be honest. Personal account, ain't no way. But prop firms, definitely more than my personal. I'll say that. But it also depends on what size prop firm account that I use. Logan Harris, I do it every time before your stream opens up. I love that. He's hitting the like button before I even go live. That's one way, that is some pure dedication. You can't do it the same way on prop. I can't either. And max trade size, like 10 micros for, okay. So for a personal account, I trade a mini, like 1 to 2 minis. And well, let me say this though. In this volatility, just because, you know, today we had a 50-point ATR on the 1 minute, meaning 1 minute candle was averaging 50 points. I don't trade a mini. I was doing like 3 to 4 micros in my personal just because volatility was so high. But if we have some like average volatility, you know, where like an ATR on the 1 minute is like 20 points, 25 points, whatever, then I'll trade like 1 to 2 minis. But not, I won't do that in this type of volatility. That shit's scary as fuck, chat. No, but on prop firm accounts, same, 1 to 2 minis. And I'll add to winners. That was nuts. Yeah, today's volatility. Chat, I got so tilted, bro. Let me tell you, now I've been more tilted than I've been today. But listen, I was extremely tilted. Granted, green everywhere, nice and green today. Today we made almost $1,000 in our personal account today. But yeah, today I was tilted. I was ready to, you saw it on stream. Yeah. Y'all got to see Tilt Joey today. If you were on the morning stream, you got to see Tilt Joey today. Golly, bro, I was about to lose it. Dude, I was getting fucked by wicks. Like legit 48, 50 point wicks I was getting fucked by. It was insane. The wicks, not even like full body candles, chat. The fucking wicks. It was insane. Oh, it ain't nothing until you start smashing monitors. Well, the monitor I have in front of me is a $2,000 monitor. So I don't think I'm going to be smashing that anytime soon. Exactly what happened to you, dude. Today was insane. I mean, just absolutely like people. I'm glad to see that. I mean, I'm not glad that other people lost money, but I'm glad to see that it wasn't just me. It was getting fucking wrecked. I mean, and chat, to be fair, I didn't get wrecked. I didn't lose money. I was green. I navigated through all of it, right? But it was the most annoying navigational route that I could have ever fucking taken, okay? But I'm glad to know that when I hopped on TRADEIFY stream that I wasn't the only one going through the trenches and that it was everybody else too, and I wasn't alone in this, all right? That's a new normal, bro. NQ 25K monster market creator. Yes, facts. Mario says can't confirm or deny that happened once. Holy. I'm fortunate to have not broken any of my monitors. I've just broken other things that we won't talk about. I was on tilt today too. Really bad day for me. I'll just blame the chat so I can move on. Exactly. You blame the chat for everything. Legit, everything's chat's fault. It's all you guys' fault, bro. DJ in 4 trays long, holy. I got smacked and used as exit liquidity on NQ by a wig today. Yeah. Today, I think everybody was liquidity. Everybody was liquidity today, bro. Just insane. Meanwhile, gold's catching a bid right now, going to VWAP. I would love, chat. I would love for the selling to continue all night and just me find a short and just ride that shit. Like, I would love that. You took Spugnick's long. Dude, did y'all see? Dude, Nick got baited so hard on TRADEIFY TV, bro. Oh my God, if y'all haven't seen it. Dude, it has me so weak. Bro, he got baited. Somebody typed in the chat something that it should not have been said out loud, and he's said it out loud, dude. And oh no. God, if y'all haven't seen it, y'all gotta watch, bro. It was during him and Rebecca. Dude, I lost my shit when I heard that. You want to hear it whisper it? Just go look at it. just go to the TRADEIFY stream replay and go replay it. It was when him and Rebecca were on. his face when he realized that he fucked up was priceless. Yes, I'm not even gonna say your name, bro. I feel like I'm getting baited by that name. The hell? But yes, that is that. What's up, Rab? Golly, dude. Oh, Nasdaq catching a nice little bid too. Chat, Nasdaq's up above VWAPski. Edge engine was good, bro. Ride it out. I mean, he already wrote it up top. I'm not gonna, no. I ain't saying nothing. I won't get baited, chat. It takes a lot to bait me. I ain't getting baited. I always read the comments before I read them out loud, chat. When I read the comments out loud, know that I've already read your comment. What kind of camera do I use? A Sony A7 III. It's a DSLR camera. You need to see, bro, you really do. You got to go back and watch that replay. It's fucking, it's crazy. You're 700 from passing 300K evals. Holy. Take it slow, bro. I can't tell you how many times I've been like 20 bucks away from passing one of those, and I blew all of it. Even getting a payout, like I've been $20 away from getting a payout. And I end up blowing the account, chat. Or if you had to tell, oh no, I'm obviously like I'm in Slack and I'm in all of the chats with TRADEIFY, and no, it was the whole team has been cracking up over it all day. Who is a master baiter here? Somebody's baiting, just got on. No, we're talking about like Nick on TRADEIFY. He got baited into saying something that he shouldn't have said out loud, and he said it on stream. It's so funny. Nasdaq's trying to fucking rip here, chat. You've been killing the markets lately. Nice, GG's. Love that. Love it. Great company then. Yes. Yeah. TRADEIFY, dude, the culture there is definitely an interesting one. Even when I was in Miami just a few days ago, when I was in Miami and I was hanging out with them, some interesting things, chat, some interesting things. And now I'm about to spend like 4 days in Mexico with them. Hold on, chat. We gotta do I gotta post an Instagram story that we're live. Everybody smile, bro. I need you guys to smile for the camera. I'll wait for you guys to smile. Y'all know what to do. Y'all done it before. Everybody smile. There we go. There we go. I'll wait for a few more to come through here. There it is. There we go. We are live, baby, and the chat's smiling for you guys, bro. If y'all didn't know. Chat is smiling. The chat is cheesing for you guys. Holy. We're live on YouTube for Asia, baby. Let's go. Oh, I should probably Put the link in there too, huh, chat? Hold on. Let's put the link in there. Hang on, chat. Let me get posted. Get this link put in there. Hold on. What the hell happened to my link? What the hell? Where'd my link go? F it. All right, chat. Thanks. Thanks for cheesing. Holy. Nasdaq still trying to hold above VWAP here. Gold is holding on for dear life as well. Good entry for a gold short. I don't know. Gold's looking pretty rippy at the moment. I'd want to see a little bit of weakness come through before I thought about taking that short. Yo, Miss K's got it, bro. She says 46 people watching, 17 likes. Yo, don't make me sick Big Frank on you guys, man. Y'all, listen, y'all need to hit the like button. Do me a favor. Let's get them likes up on the stream, huh? What do we think? What do we think? What do we think? What do we think? GC 4680 coming again. Yes, possibly. Possibly. Was planning no risk. Wait. Was planning RO risk. 209 but with ATR at 12 I'm gonna sleep. It's crazy move. Yeah, I agree. It is actually insane. It is actually insane. Big Frank says, hey guys, first thing we need to do is hit the like button once we enter the chat. Let's go. Big Frank said it. Y'all heard it. Don't make me get Big Frank on you. Big Frank, I forget how big he was, but dude benches like 1,000 pounds. So you don't want Big Frank knocking on your door, because if he knocks, he might fall down. Y'all don't want them problems, chat. Holy. You don't want them problems. Look at gold here, catching a nice little bid. Last live stream on TRADEIFY channel. Yeah. Yes, sir. GC squeeze. Yeah, gold is catching a nice little bidski here. Also, chat, as a reminder, if you are new here, we are live every single day at the New York Open and during Asia session. So if you want to catch a day of live streams, hit that subscribe button, catch all the live streams, also all the content that we're putting out. I will say also too, chat, speaking of content, I'm turning half of my garage into a little content studio. So we're really gonna start upping the production value on our videos. It's gonna be sick, dude. It's gonna be sick. So if y'all want to catch all that content and stuff, catch the live streams, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Join the fam, because we have probably one of the best in the industry. Ole. Trader in development's in the building. Where's this guy been, huh? There's an OG if I'd ever seen one. But he disappeared on me because he's out there fucking on somewhere else. I don't know. Trader, where you been, bro? Huh? Where you been? Trader in development, this dude's supposed to give me Spanish lessons, and he just dipped on me. Just full-blown dipped. Who's more important, trader, huh? Who stole your attention away from me? Google trainings all day long, bro. Fuck Google. You're supposed to be here, Ismail. All right? You're supposed to be right here. This is where you belong, okay? This is the money gang, right? This is where we make money. We make the monies here. This is more important. Fit Mom Trader, holy, what's up? Good evening. Chat, I'm kind of upset that the gold's ripping right now. I was upset that it was melting and I wasn't in a short. Now I'm upset that it's ripping. I'm not in a long. I guess a good long would have been that just retest of VWAP there, reclaiming it and sending it. Whoopsies. Make me profitable so I can quit. Make yourself profitable, Ismail. What are you doing, bro? Huh? Do I like NQ more or gold? Well, I broke up with NQ. You know, NQ, listen, I had a relationship with NQ and she just became toxic. So now I trade gold more. Oof, gee, man, I feel you on that, bro. I hate that. Mario, you got an addiction problem. Mario's just straight up addicted. He's like, oh, I gotta get in one more. Okay, I'm done. No, one more. No, one more. I took the long on VWAP retest, but only one MGC. Gold scares me right now. Yeah, gold's insane. I mean, even tonight, right now, we have a 12-point ATR on gold. That's insane. On a 1 minute time frame, bro. Like, that's just. Gold is Mr. Blow Your Account. G-Man's the gold king. Yo, he really is. I've been waiting on G-Man to drop a course on trading gold. He won't do it, bro. I got my debit card ready to spend. My debit card is literally out right now. G-Man. G-Man, I got my debit card on the desk. I actually almost flashed my debit card to you guys and y'all just almost saw my debit card number. Listen, my debit card is on the desk, okay? G-Man, I need the gold course. Mario and I plan on joining you one evening. Listen, come on stream. I imagine that we're all gonna talk shit to each other and I'm cool with that. I don't know. I'm a little scared of Mario. I feel like Mario got some hood in him. Is it bad I took 3 on that? I know that's. What do I need to install? Nothing. If you come on stream with me, I just send you a link. That's it. Nasdaq is trying to come down to a VWAP ski here. Gold is still ripping. Well, not ripping, but it's still holding above VWAP. Oh. Looking at, hold on, let's look at the 15-minute. Just see what we're working with here. I mean, gold has room. 800s. Send it. Gold has room. Actually, oh, that was bad. Holy, can't draw a line to save my life. Right here. I mean, gold has room to go if it finds bullishness, especially above 80s again. We could see some move to the upside there. You blame G-Man for the addiction. like Miss K said, just blame chat. Yeah, that's literally it. You just blame chat for everything. Everything is chat's fault. That's what I do. I just blame chat. Anytime something goes wrong, it's always chat's fault. If I have tech issues, it's chat's fault. One of you probably broke into my house and changed all my shit. Just took a little scalp off the VWAP 14 EMA rejection. Holy, love to see it. GG's. G-Man, we need a trading party one of these evenings. Voice on Discord and Joey stream it from there. Holiday, I'm down. I'm down. Just a retracement? Could be. Could be just a retracement. Or we just go back up and see, you know, 800s again. Who knows? We're clearly in a bearish market, just taking shorts all day. Yeah. I mean, listen, I hear you. I hear you. Nasdaq got cooked. Gold got cooked. Everything cooked. Literally everything getting cooked. Even Bitcoin, bro. Y'all saw Bitcoin? Shit is insanity, dude. Hold on. Let's pull up Bitcoin for a sec. Just take a look, chat. All the way down to... Did it actually get in the 50s? No, not yet. So it went down and tested 60,000, chat. That's just... necessary to do it in Spanish? Is that what you just said? I just don't know what pero is. I know what IK necessary ¿A serio? En español. ¿A serio? Button, do I see it? Yeah. Gotcha. So, but it's necessary to do it in Spanish. I'm confused by aserio. Wouldn't it just be hacer? Kind of confused by the EO on that. My account got cooked today. Hope you got a comish off of refresh. Comish? I'm confused, Brad. Help me. Help me, Brad. Oh, commission. Yeah. Commission, I see. Oh, yeah, commish off refreshes. Yeah. Commish, yeah. Yeah, I did. Trunks, good evening. Mario says, now I'm done for real. Okay. Mr. Addict. Here in the next 5 minutes, he's gonna throw on another short on gold. Future versus past tense, if you will. Yeah, I got you. Until you see something else. That's what I'm saying, bro. In the next like 5 minutes, it's gonna take another short. You're way past your limit. Bro, keep going. I dare you. I dare you, bro. You have to stop your consistency hit. Just load up more accounts. Why stop there? Go get more accounts, Mario. Run them up. Oh. You're not helping. I'm trying to stop. No, I'm not. I'm not gonna help you. I'm gonna peer pressure you into getting more accounts. What problem am I using? Everyone's banning metals. TRADEIFY hadn't done anything about it. Because the prop's losing too much money on it? No, to be honest, to be fair, dude, I don't think they are. I think, to be honest, and now chat, don't get me wrong, like, I know prop firms, they gotta make money and they do things to make money. But genuinely, I bet people are blowing their shit up, like left and right. I think this move is probably actually doing traders a lot of favors right now, if I'm being honest. Guaranteed, bro, people are losing their shit left and right. The amount of blown accounts has to be massive. Yeah, 100% is. Guaranteed there's people just blowing their accounts. Dude, metals is nothing to play around with. Like, you will get cooked in a heartbeat trading metals. I mean, literally get cooked. All it takes is one like little degen move to just get absolutely shredded. You've been good. Zero blown during this craziness. Yeah, I love that. Love that. Prop should love it and not limit it then, except maybe in live accounts. Yeah, I get that. I mean, I don't know. I feel like this move is better for the traders, to be honest. For people trading prop, just so they don't go homeless, buying account after account after account. That's what I would think. Amog, what up? I mean, even right now, chat, we have on the 1 minute chart on gold, we have 11 point ATR, dude. 11.1 minute candles, chat, on gold. Should I buy Bitcoin? No, I don't recommend it. Not right now. I would wait for an absolute floor. Sounds like maybe preventative gambling addiction. Yeah. Music is making me want some salsa and chips. Yo, facts, dude. I could go for that right now. Give me some good Mexican food. Holy chat. And it's dinner time. Listen, y'all gonna make me go to freaking get some Mexican food. Tacos? Yeah. Can you teach me how to interpret candlesticks? That is a loaded question. I'm gonna give like a very simplified. I'm gonna give a very simplified version of that, because that's, I mean, we could talk literally for the next 2 weeks on that and still not cover half. You know what I would do if I were you? Let me just take off everything here so it's nice and clean. It's hard to give an example on gold just because gold's been moving very sporadic and just kind of crazy. So what I would do is go on higher time frames and find where the market has like a point of fair price, where the market deems the price to be fair as like it's consolidating, right? And then use those areas for confluence of either support or resistance, right? And I mean, that's one way you could do it, right? And so what you could do is take this, for example, right? Take this, for example, where the market deemed price to be fair, because we consolidate. I am on a higher time frame, on a 15-minute time frame. Market deemed price fair here, and it's just kind of consolidating, moving. We saw a little dip below, came back up, and we consolidated more, right? So you could use that as an area of confluence where the market has seen fair pricing and caught buys out of it. Now, if you look, what happens? See that? See how gold came down and tested that area and now it's catching buyers out of it? It's because at one point the market deemed this to be fair pricing and we've come down and retest that. Now we're kind of catching a bid out of it, right? That's one way you could look at it. Again, this is a loaded question, so I'm giving you a very surface level, like baseline answer. But then just take like the vice versa of that, right? Find, now that we have a low point of fair price, what's the high point? Well, there was consolidation here and consolidation here. So we can say that that is an area where there was a lot of consolidation and fair pricing. So if the market does then navigate up there, I'd be curious to see how price would react, right? And so that's, again, that's very surface level, but hopefully that answered your question a little bit. And just find reactions out of those levels too. You know what I mean? You just find reactions. Like for example, price came down to this area, it found a reaction. Okay, so we go along. All right, it's kind of like supply and demand stuff. See what you made me do? I pulled up another one. That one is up 366 on the fib. Damn you, Joey. I did you a favor. I legit just did you a favor. You should be thanking me right now, Mario. Is there a course you would recommend? No. No, there's not. The only thing I could recommend is just learn basic foundational concepts like what I just taught you. Like, I mean, the absolute most fundamental basic concepts, and put time in front of the screens. One thing you could do if you want to learn like my strategy, you know, pretty much everyone in my community uses my strategy. I would say to some degree. You could go on my YouTube channel and you could look up Joey Morgan initial balance. And I had tons of videos that go over. I will say I do have a free course on my YouTube channel that you go through. You don't have to pay anything. Go under my YouTube channel, go to playlist, and you'll see free day trading course. And I go over 2 of my strategies, as well as like the psychological thing and risk management stuff. Would encourage you to go through that. How profitable am I? I would say that I do well. I do trade. So to give you some context, I do trade my own account, my own personal account, so real money, but I also trade prop, right? For context, I just went on, and my whole chat has seen it. You guys watched me do it live. I went on a 46-day green streak over the past November, December, and January. I made north of $30,000 in my personal account from the green streak that I just went on, and I just paid myself $10,000, actually more than that. I actually brought the balance back down to 50,000, so I paid myself about 20 grand out of that. I've also been trading for like 7 years though. Like I've been a trader for 7 years. So I've been through the trenches in trading. I've been through it. I know what it's like. I got friends that are going through it. Listen, I know what the trenches are like, and the trenches be trenching, right? Trust me, I know. But to be honest, I'm not going to toot my own horn or like boast or anything like that. I'm just going to say that if you're here, you're in a good place, and my chat can vouch for that. Pretty much anybody in my community can vouch for that. Can you shout out my boy, is it Anch? He put me on to you? Yeah, shout out Anch, baby, holy. Anch. Shout out, baby. I probably butchered the name, but at least I might have got close. Chat, it is hot AF in my office, bro. Hang on. He's a big fan. Love that. Well, tell him I said thank you very much. He wants to be like me. Don't be like me. Be better than me. Now smash a like button. Facts. Yeah, smash a like button, chat. Holy, what are we doing? He said he can never achieve such a feat. Nah, he can. Anybody can. I don't believe in the word can't, chat. You know how many times I said, chat, let's be real for a second. You know how many times I said, I can't trade, I can't do this. I suck at it. You know how many times, bro, I had those thoughts? But yeah, here we are. Years later, tons of failures later, here we are, right? I don't believe in can't. Who is Joe Morgan? What you mean, bro? What you mean, who is Joe Morgan? AP and volatility. Oh yeah, we are. Oh yeah. Here comes that volatility. Yeah, Zimze actually brought up a good point. I'll answer your question here in a minute, Zimze. But for those that are here, if you use code JM at TRADEIFY, that gets you an entry to win a free straight to funded account with them. But listen, and you can have multiple entries. So if you buy 5 accounts, that's 5 entries, right? However, if you buy a straight to funded account, that's going to give you 3 entries. You have to send me a screenshot in Discord, like shoot me a message in Discord and show me the screenshot using code JM. But a straight to funded account will get you 3 entries now, chat, because they are more expensive and I want to incentivize and reward people that do buy straight to funded. So 1 straight to funded will get you 3 entries, chat. And say if you buy 5 straight to fundeds, that'll give you 15 entries. All right, so just as an FYI, if you use code JM, send me those screenshots in Discord, that way I can enter you, bro. Gold is getting cooked, chat. Oh, Oh, anyways, I'm saying I trade live. Should I do funded as well? I don't know. Should you? That's how confident are you in your trading? Look at your trading, right? See what your confidence levels are, and then answer that question. Gold getting cooked, chat. Jesus Christ. I have a pairs trading assignment. What do you recommend me doing? What do you mean by pairs trading assignment? I don't know what that means. Are you talking about like Forex pairs? I don't know what you mean by pairs. Gold coming back to VWAP here. Sounds like Forex. Yeah, that's where my head went, is Forex, but I'm not 100% sure. Yeah, let me know what you mean by that, because I don't really know how to answer that. Gold is buying all the way back up, dude. That's crazy. Yeah. Gold got cooked for a second. Now it's buying all the way back up, chat. Wow. Look at that. Bro, these markets are they are insane, dude. Are we in New York? Because what the dude, I'm telling you, these markets are wild, bro. The volatility is insane, chat. Jesus Christ, like 15.1 minute candles on gold. I'm scared to trade 2 micros. I mean, that's just insanity, dude. I'm so inspired by you. It's all over my screen. Yo, I appreciate you. Thank you. Appreciate all the kind words, chat. Holy. Five-minute ATR is 26 on gold, bro. That's just insanity. Look at this 5-minute wick, bro. This is the shit that was getting me on fucking the New York session this morning. Literally. This is what was killing me. I pay these people for these comments. Like, this is, dude. That's why I use your code. Spread the love. Yo, I appreciate you. Thank you. 25-minute or 25-point ATR on the 5-minute chat on gold. Guaranteed reset buttons were just clicked on this chat. How much you want to bet? I guarantee you reset buttons were just smashed during this. Jesus Christ. Chat, legit, I'm like terrified to trade gold, to be honest with you. I don't know that I want to. My God, what's going on? These nice comments about Joe. Yo, G-Man, shut your mouth, bro. People love me, okay? I'm liked, all right? I'm liked by my community, okay? It's the boat. Can you shout out my boy no, you ain't baiting me. You're not getting me, baby. Holy, it is not happening. You almost got me. I will be honest with you. You almost got me, but you ain't getting me. It ain't happening, chat. I don't get baited, okay? I don't get baited. My brain processed that before I even, nope. It's not happening, man. Dennis. Let's see. Dennis says, I'm going through a tough time. I have $400. I can wisely use that money to get a 555 payout week. I don't recommend that. Should I buy gold or silver? Definitely not silver, because silver's getting cooked and it's extremely volatile. Gold, maybe. I don't know about silver. I'm not a financial advisor though, so I don't know. None of it's financial advice. Dennis, to your question. Chat, let's have a real moment, right? Because I feel like y'all been trying to fuck with me and baiting me, and I've been, yeah. Let's have a real moment, chat, all right? Because Dennis, you don't want to use the last bit of money you have to try to get money from trading, bro. It's not gonna work out. Because at that point, you're gonna be trading from a place of need and desperation. And what happens when you trade from a place of need and desperation? You trade desperately. What happens when you trade desperately? You make horrible decisions. You're gonna lose that money like in an instant. It's not gonna work out for you, right? What you wanna do is get a source of income coming in, right? Get some kind of cash flow hitting the bank account, right? And once you have that, bills are getting paid, then start spending a little bit of money on prop firms and trying to get payouts with prop firms. That's what I would do. That's what I would do. But don't use your last little bit of money and try to make money trading. It ain't gonna work. Never does. I learned to trade and risk money you're willing to lose. That was when my trading changed a few years ago. Yeah, 100%. Like, never trade with more money than you're willing to lose. Like, that's just not, it's never gonna work out. My boy Ansh, who watches you, is telling me to buy Dogecoin. Should I listen? Listen, I'm not a crypto guy. I'm gonna be honest, I know nothing about crypto. Nothing. Only thing I know is how much it's tanking. That's it. Beyond that, I know absolutely nothing about crypto. So to be honest, I couldn't tell you. I only know Nasdaq and gold. That's it. Or futures markets. That's really it. It's money you're willing to lose, and it's your last bit of money, and you're willing to lose it. We got to rethink that, Dennis. He said it's one of my tips. I don't tip anybody on Dogecoin. I know nothing about crypto. Putting my life savings on a meme coin. Put all my money in Tesla call options. Nice. Nice. I mean, long term, probably is gonna be all right. Trading for keys was good, baby. Anj capping to me? Yeah, he's definitely capping. Because trust me, my whole chat community knows I don't talk about crypto. I know nothing about it. Tell us, how was your experience at Big Daddy Max's event? Yo, it was epic, 100%. It was by far probably one of the coolest events that I've been to. And it was cool meeting like other traders there too. Like, I mean, listen, the whole Twitter space was there. So it was nice, like putting faces to names, you know what I mean? And seeing people and chatting with them in real time. I mean, there's been some traders that I've already met before and talked to. I think the highlight for me was meeting Trades by Matt, right? Because Trades by Matt is like who actually got me into futures and trading prop firms with futures, right? He's the one who actually got me into it. I was already trading before I found Trades by Matt, but I was like swing trading stocks and stuff like that. But Trades by Matt got me into futures. And so it was cool seeing him there and him actually knowing who I was too. Like, I mean, it was cool for him to recognize that and recognize kind of what I'm building as well. And just being able to chat with him and talk with him and then like go hang out with him at the casino and things like that. Like it was just good. It was a good time, man. It was a good time. Probably one of the coolest trader events that I've seen. And to be honest, chat, like I'm trying to go to more events this year. So I mean, listen, there's no better like thing than going and meeting other traders. You know, so. He's kind of the GOAT for YouTube. Introduction to new traders. Yeah, 100%. For futures. Yeah. He is. 100%. And he's a cool dude too to hang out with and just chat with. Gold is just consolidating up here, chat. Nothing for me to really take yet. I'm watching though, but there's nothing to really do here. I mean, we're just consolidating. Buy on dips? Possibly. Good. Isaac? Who's Isaac? Nice, trading for keeps. Yeah, for sure. Because pre-market decided to clear the entire thin order book. Joey needs to explain the name. What are you talking about? What you mean, bro? I don't know what you're talking about. Oh, the name, your name, Market Maker Mario. Yeah. Yeah, I forced him to do that. Mario, was your name just Mario? I think it was just Mario, wasn't it? Yeah, it was just Mario. And then there was an inside joke about him being Market Maker. And I forced him to change his name to Market Maker Mario. Gold's trying to find a bid here out of this consolidation. Still nothing that I'm like overly excited for on taking, but we'll see. Chat, just a reminder, if you're not already subbed to the channel, we are live every single day in the mornings for New York session and during Asia. We've been getting a lot of positive feedback about Asia sessions, so we're going to be doing more of them. We encourage you to stop in, check it out. Hit that sub button, catch more of the streams. Also catch the content that we're going to be putting out here soon, because we're upping the production value of the content we're building, or I'm putting together kind of like a little content studio in my garage. So you're going to want to be around, baby, be around. Holiday. Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, because you worked in Wall Street. That was it. Yeah. Yeah, and that's how you got Market Maker. Yeah. Nasdaq's kind of chilling down at VWAP right now. Gold unable to sustain that bid up there. Part of me wants to short gold, honestly, but I mean, we're kind of just consolidating here. I don't know, gold being as weak as it is, I mean, this kind of just feels like it could be a little just a dead cat bounce, you know, and just continue to plummet, but it's tough. with the volatility in gold, you definitely don't want to be on the wrong side of it with too much size. I'm not opposed to throwing on like a couple micros short on gold if I get a little more like confluence of us wanting to get weak again. But that's 16.1 ATR on a 1 minute. That worries me. Because that's some insane volatility, bro. 16 points on gold on a 1 minute time frame. That's some straight up blow your shit up type volatility, chat. It is trying to get back below VWAP though. Just put the stop at 50 bucks. It'll be good. Y'all get tapped out. Oh, 50 points. I was like 50 bucks. I'll get stopped out immediately. 50 points. Yeah. Yeah. Gold is trying to get a little weak here. Man, I do want to find a short, but I do want to find a short, chat. Holy. It feels like gold could just get smoked and keep on getting smoked. I really want to ride the train. I really want to ride the train, chat. Holy. Nasdaq is trying to get back below VWAP as well. Here's what I'm gonna do, chat. Hang on. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'll put a limit order. Actually, wait. Why didn't that? Yeah, so. Oh wait, I'm on paper account. Hold on, I gotta get my real account. Chat, hang on, I gotta pull the monitor away. I'm on my paper account on here. Let me sign into my real account. Wait, no, I was on my real account. Why did it show as paper? All right. There we go. Chat, I'll be right back. But I'm gonna set that order there. If it gets filled, then I'll take gold short, but I'll have my stop loss above the highs there. So I'll be right back. Well, doesn't look like we're gonna get filled on this, huh? Doesn't look like we're gonna get filled on this, chat. Am I wearing capris? No. What? Say what? Yeah, I could take this off. We're not gonna get filled. Nasdaq's also kind of hanging around VWAP right now. Gold. So it is consolidating here. Just consolidating. Nasdaq is getting a little bit of weakness, which is interesting. Nasdaq's trying to come below VWAP here. No, did he? What y'all talking about, bruh? Oh, Nasdaq right back above. Above VWAP there. Gold. Gold, 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 gold. Catching a bid above VWAP as well. Interesting bid here. Interesting bid, chat. What are we doing, chat? What are we doing? What's the play? Y'all looking at longs? What is the play, chat? I still don't mind the shorts, but I don't really want to see like... I don't really want to see price come back above like 60, it's like 63s. That's what I don't want to see for shorts. Because I feel like 63s, I feel like we are gonna go run this. So I definitely don't like that for shorts. But if we continue showing weakness, shorts are going to be the play here. Till I gold shorts down to 416, but we're sitting at last week's low here. This could be trouble for the short. Yeah, it could be. It could be. We are still rejecting VWAP. We'll see if it continues to reject here. I'm not opposed to shorts, chat. I'm not opposed to it. I mean, I really wanted the short there at 53s. I feel like that's the better entry. I just don't want to feel like I'm chasing the short down here. You know what I mean, chat? I don't want to feel like I'm chasing it. If I take the short now, I feel like I'm definitely chasing. And that leaves a lot of room for risk, which I don't want. The IB on gold is 145 since open. How nice. Yeah, I feel like if I take this now, dude, I'm chasing it. I really don't want to chase, chat. Chasing doesn't feel good. The boys, what up, Kaf? You're new here. Yo, welcome. We get a lot of newbies in here, huh? Little new people to the community. I love it. Kaf, welcome, baby. You're in a good spot. Trust me. You are in a good spot. G-Man, bro, chill. Chill, bro. Relax, G. Holy. Well, chat, that's a good, I guess that's a reminder. So we do have a lot of new people in here. Let me just remind you that we are live every single day in the mornings and in the evenings for Asia session, New York session, and Asia session. So if you don't catch the daily live streams, bro, smash that subscribe button. Join up on the fam, because I guarantee you are in the right spot. Everybody here is here to make money. We're not about no drama. We ain't about no fluff. We about making Benjamins, all right? That's what we care about here. We do nothing less than make Benjamins, all right? Plural Benjamins. But don't take it from me because I'm in full degen. You actually are in full degen mode, and I respect it. That's why I'm peer pressuring you to load more accounts, you know? Just keep loading them, bro. Just keep loading the boat. DJ Joe on the ones and twos. What community doesn't like this one, baby? Nobody. Nobody. Ain't nobody matching my energy, baby. All right, here comes gold catching a little bit of a bid. We're still just hovering VWAP, man. I don't love that. I don't love it. Lucky you didn't enter, yeah. That's why I didn't, because I felt like I was chasing. I don't want to. If I feel like I'm chasing, chances are I'm probably wrong on the trade. I've learned that the hard way. If I feel like I'm chasing a trade, chances are I'm fucking wrong. And I just don't need to enter it, period. You know? And that's that. What we thinking too late to long gold? I mean, it's very tricky because gold's been very weak, right? If you look, like, gold's just been on a steady down move, and then we got this bounce, and we kind of just been consolidating in it. And so I'm not convinced in either direction right now. I'm not convinced on longs taking us higher, and I'm also not convinced on shorts taking us lower. It's just one of those like very tricky areas that you have to just kind of wait for the market to decide what it wants to do and then just take the reaction. It's kind of the best way to, for me anyways, the best way to play this. It's funny because Nasdaq is like correlated with gold right now, and I don't know how I feel about it. It's like doing the same thing. Gold heard you say you were thinking about shorting and said, here, hold my beer. I know, now it's ripping. Holy. The Asia session is open. Yeah, it's Asia session now. Globex shenanigans today. Man, Nasdaq's catching a bid too. It's interesting that everything's trying to catch a bid at the moment. I mean, Nas really trying to catch a bid, chat. Oh, let's go to Nas. Nasdaq caught a nice bid off VWAP there and is moving up. It's moving up just like gold. It's like gold and Nasdaq are kind of correlated at the moment. They're moving alike. I still just don't, chat, I still just don't really see much that I want to take. I'm not like overly convinced on anything yet. I mean, Nasdaq's fixing to go pop those highs. It's fixing to go pop into the 440s. It seems like everything is happening very quickly. Okay, I'm here. I was driving when I smiled to the IG selfie. Oh, did you take the IG selfie, baby? Let's go. Holy. Hold on. Is it on the story? Wait a minute. Let me go take a peek, Bielka. Let me go take a peek. Is it on there? Oh, Bielka, I don't see anything. I was hoping I'd see the story on there, bro. You smile and everything. Where is it, Bielka? I don't see it. I didn't see it. Hold on, I'm looking. I don't see any story. I'm still waiting on the story post, Bielka. Really am. You probably tagged one of the other 17 Joey Morgan trades. I do have a lot of impersonators. That is true. Comes with the territory. No, Bielka, it's not okay. Am I even looking at the right Instagram? Hold on. Do you have like more than one Instagram? I don't see a story, Bielka. And it's not okay. I'm gonna be on you about it until I see it. How's night trading going so far? We haven't taken anything. Kind of just chilling. I mean, gold has been consolidating this whole time. I did see the Bitcoin sell off. It was, it's insane. Insanity, bruh. Am I cooked for being in NQ shorts? Yeah, you're cooked. Bro, listen, you're cooked. You're cooked, homie. I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what your entry is. But you're pretty cooked. Am I a Bitcoin holder? No, but I will be if it goes to 40s. I'll be a buyer if it goes to 40s. At that point, I don't really care if it goes to 20s. I mean, it's fine. I'll continue buying. But 40s and under, I'll buy. You was up 350 and just shot up. Yeah, you cooked, homie. It's time to kill it. It's time to turn it off, multi. Holy. A whole Bitcoin or fraction? I'll buy a whole Bitcoin. I'll buy a whole Bitcoin at 40, and then I'll buy, and if it goes even lower than that, I may buy another one. Who knows? Kind of depends. Depends on what the price action is doing. I feel like I did miss the whole Bitcoin train, you know, or the whole crypto train in general. Chat, there was a point where I was trading crypto, like for fun, when XRP was like freaking 8 cents or some shit. Like it was just nothing, and I was trading it, and then I just quit, and I haven't looked at it, and I just haven't ever traded it since. Stop filled, yeah. That was cooked. NQ is ripping hard right now. I mean, NQ is like actually shredding to the upside at the moment. You have a few limits at 40, just waiting. I like that. Gold is finding a little bit more weakness here, but the problem is, dude, it's just like, okay, so my entry would have got filled if I had left it, right? It would have got filled. I just hate where we are and what we're doing. I mean, we're dead smack dab in the middle of all of this. It did, yeah. It would have filled me. My order was right here. It would have filled me, and I'd actually be in profit right now. Quite a bit. I didn't think it would actually fill, but it did, or it would have. That's the thing, dude. It's like gold's just sitting here consolidating in the middle of all of this, right? It's like, do I really want to take an entry in the middle here when it's just so 50-50 of us ripping and melting? I just don't know how. I don't know if I really want to get involved. Probably best for me to stay out of it, honestly, until like there's more apparent direction versus just hanging out in the middle here. But yo, look at Nasdaq, dude. Hold on, chat. Look at Nas. Nasdaq is just shredding to the upside, bro. That'd have been a great long for Nas. Seeing it hold VWAP like that, been a great long. Have I taken any trades tonight? I actually haven't. I've been flat all night so far. Just nothing that I haven't really been overly excited about anything yet. Hey, look at gold here. Bouncing off VWAP, trying to go higher. The volatility is crazy. Yeah, the volatility is insane. I mean, we have a 10.1 minute ATR on gold. Like, that's just crazy to me. A 10-point ATR on gold on a 1 minute time frame, bro. People blowing their shit up right now, like 100%, like getting absolutely cooked. Oh, a music violation? Wait, really? Oh no.